School Center has added a new page option called Layout Page. Enter Edit Mode, click New Page, select Layout Page, Add Page. In this tutorial, we will also discuss creating a new page and making that your new home page. So for now, I'm going to call this New Home. And this will eventually become my new home page. Push Done. The message you will receive is there are currently no layouts on this page. Please add a layout from the toolbar above. So to begin working on a layout page, go up to the Edit bar and use the drop-down menu to select a layout. These are the preset layouts that you can choose from with different size boxes and columns. So for my demonstration, I'm going to use the first one in the second row. As soon as you select that, you will see that that layout will formulate on your page. So I have a nice title box, top row, and then I have 3 sub boxes. And all I have to do is click in them to add a gadget or a text box to start using the boxes. So for the first one, it says click here and select a gadget from the toolbar. So I will click on the box, and now the edit bar at the top reduces itself to one option of Add Gadget. So I will select Add Gadget. I could use an RSS feed from someone else's site or another School Center account, a document summary for one of my document manager pages. And I do have a document manager page located over here, so I could add that from my site. A What's New summary from a What's New page if I used one. Useful links summary from my useful links page, and so on. All the summaries are really just a glance or a preview of some page that you've created on your site. Current weather, we'll put in a current weather option, which we will use in one of our other boxes, a picture and text box, or an album summary from your album page. So for this first top box, I need a title on the page or a header, so I'm going to use picture and text. As soon as I do that, the picture and text editing box will appear, so I can click to begin entering my content. So because this is going to be my new home page, I will say welcome to Mr. Engen's website. And then I'll select that text so that I can format it. Bold, font size 5, and then maybe center this. And save. And I've entered my title box. When you hover over one of the layout boxes, you will get a settings or a delete option so that you can go in and work with the settings or delete the box. In our next box, in the second row, we'll add a weather option. So click to select a gadget, add a gadget, current weather. The first message you will receive is weather station not set. As soon as you hover over the box, the settings and delete option will appear. So I'll select settings for the box. Show location is checked. I just need to enter a location. So I will enter Fargo, North Dakota, or you can enter a zip code, which might be more accurate. Save, and your box will appear with the weather for the current city location. In the next box, I'll click to add a gadget, and I'll add a summary of my useful links. The message appears, the useful link summary is not yet configured. Please click on settings. So hover over the box to use your settings option. Within the settings, you can title the box. So I will simply say useful links, preview, browse for the links page that you'd like to preview, and since I only have one useful links page. That's the one that I would select. Notice you can go back up the hierarchy of our School Center web server and go into other school accounts, and you could actually summarize another teacher or page's useful links. I'll select my useful links page. Notice you have some other options on this page: custom styles, content color, border, and so on. Push save. And now I get a preview of my useful links. Since I only have one category in the useful links preview, it now shows up. If I click my preview option, I now have my header box, I have my weather box, and I have my useful links preview. I'll go back into edit mode, and for the last box, I will click to select a gadget, go to my gadgets menu, and select my album summary. And with my album summary, I will hover over, go into my settings, title it Album Preview, browse for my photo album. I have a hockey album. Select Save, click Preview, and now you're going to get a miniature slideshow preview of all of the pictures that you have in your album. So the layout page option is a quick way to organize preview boxes and content boxes. The limitation is that you cannot change the box with height or locations after you've created them. If you go back into edit mode and you go to select layout and you'd like to pick a different layout, all of your content will be removed to apply the new layout. The last part of this tutorial is going to discuss how would you make this page your home page and delete your present home page. The first step in doing so is to go to the new home page that you would like to set as the default home page. Go to Page Settings, go to Details, and click Make this page the home page. You have to make a new home page a home page before you can delete the old one. So now this will be my new home page. Push Done. I can now go up to my present home page and delete. So I'll go into my page settings and select Delete. Push OK, and I have now removed my main home page. I can now go back to my new home page, go to Page Settings, change the name to Home, push Done, and now my last step will be to edit the navigation and move that to the top of the list. So I'll select Edit Navigation. I'll drag my home page to the top of my list. And you need to be patient to wait for that to settle into the top position. Push Done to verify the new location. Push Preview, and now you've moved your new home page to the top, set it as your default home page. You're set to go.